In this video, you will learn how to use camera in PeachWorlds editor. Let's dive in. So first, you can find and import the camera right here by clicking this little icon, going to basic, then scrolling down and add a perspective camera. We're not going to talk about the orthographic camera for the purposes of this tutorial, and we will focus on the perspective camera. Every project by default would come with the camera already in it. Basically, if you would like to see your camera view, you have a few options. You can go on the right panel, the right properties panel right here, and click Enter Camera View. Or you can go on the top toolbar and you can see there's a little camera icon right here. If you toggle it, then in the bottom left corner, you will start seeing a camera preview. And this is the camera that is at the moment added into our editor. So if you have more cameras, just by clicking the drop down right here, you are able to switch the preview of those different cameras. And from this window, you can enter the current camera view by just clicking here. And now we are in our camera view. Let's close camera preview window. Let's look at our camera properties. On the right panel, you will see the Enter and Exit Camera View button, as I mentioned previously. But at the moment, we are within the camera and we would like to see what are we doing in terms of the changes. So you have a few options here. Is the clipping, so near and far. What does it mean is that if I'm going to reduce this number, I'm going to start losing objects that are further away. So if I want to see as far as possible with my camera, I need to keep it at 1,000 or more. And with the near is the same. If I'll change this number to, let's say, 1, maybe in this case 10, I will start losing part of the image in my scene. So the best option is to use the default settings by 0, 1 for the near and 1,000 for far clipping. Then we have a field of view, and here you can actually change the field of view of the camera. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you will put 30 degrees, you will be much closer to your objects. And on the same time, if you will reduce it or you increase the number to 100, you will start getting more distorted view from the camera. We recommend to stick to 45 field of view as a default for your scene. Then you have a zoom options as well, and that is also affecting your camera zoom. But again, for majority of projects, you don't have to touch that, so just leave it at 1.